was a cold, brisky Christmas Eve. The sweet smell of pine Christmas tree, buzzing with twinkling Christmas lights, ghosted through the room. She stared into the flames of the fire. They crackled and spat as they hissed into life with jig of joy, and with it, the dancing shadows on the wall. She wondered how simple it would be not to see such beauty. Suddenly, she heard the soft whisper of a music. It was blowing from outside. She strained her ears to try and make out what it could be, but the sound was faint. She opened the window and looked out. Frost spikes were hanging off her windowsill like mesmerizing glassy fingers. A cold, fresh breeze gently caressed her cheeks, and with it came in the now distinct sound of the music. It seemed to dance around the room, moving from one corner to another. It grew clearer and more magical and wafted up her eager ears. She sighed with happiness and followed the distant sound of the music to her chair. The greatest sound of a Christmas Eve.